How do you make little kids eat their fruits and veggies? Blend it in a delicious smoothie. Today I'm going to show you how to make healthy juices and smoothies. I enjoy these smoothies as much as my picky eaters. I use all natural ingredients, no added sugar, and best of all, these are super easy to make. So let's get started. This is the pink strawberry banana smoothie. It only needs 4 ingredients with no added sugar. So we need 2 frozen bananas, 1.5 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of water. Then we put all of the ingredients in the blender.
Okay.
First, we put the 2 frozen bananas in the blender. Be careful, make sure they go inside the blender. Adult supervision is advised. Then put in the 1.5 cup frozen strawberries. Pour in 1 cup of milk that was pre-measured. Then pour in the 1 cup of water. Put on the lid and blend until smooth. I'm using my Vitamix, but any blender will work just fine. On the Vitamix, there's a smoothie option, so I just use that option. Blend for a minute or 2, or simply blend until smooth. When it's ready, pour the smoothie in the cups. You can see a beautiful pink color.
Wow. Yummy!
This will capture every little girl's heart. This is my daughter's favorite smoothie because it's pink.
This is the best smoothie I ever had. It's also my favorite color.
It is so pretty, so yummy with all natural ingredients. This is the orange papaya milkshake. It only needs 4 natural ingredients and it's so yummy. We have a whole papaya here and we have to cut the papaya into cubes. So first cut off the skin. Then scrape off the seeds with a spoon. Cut the papaya into cubes. Once the whole papaya is cut into cubes, I usually separate them into portions and freeze them. The frozen papayas will be ready for use the next time I make papaya milkshake. So here we have 2 cups of freshly cut papaya, 5 pitted dates, 1.25 cup of water, 1.25 cup of milk. If you like the milkshake to be thicker, add less water. If you want the milkshake to be thinner, add more milk or water. So first, put in the 2 cups of cubed papaya. Then, add in the 5 pitted dates. I buy these dates from Costco. The dates add natural sweetness to the milkshake. Pour in the milk that was pre-measured, then pour in the water. Put on the lid and blend for a minute or 2, or simply blend until smooth. When it's ready, pour the papaya milkshake into cups. You can see a beautiful orange color. It is so yummy with all natural ingredients. Next, we are making all natural organic orange juice. This only requires 1 ingredient. Super yummy, super healthy. Here we have several oranges. Take an orange and cut it in half. Make sure you are cutting it horizontally. Then take out a simple juicer. I got this juicer on Amazon for less than $20. You can also get an automated juicer that's pricier but make the juicing faster. Then press each half of the orange into the juicer to make orange juice. Are you licking the orange? Look at this color, looks so delicious. Pour the freshly squeezed juice into a cup. I used 3 large oranges to make 1 cup of orange juice. Add some ice, and you have a super healthy, super yummy 1 ingredient orange juice.
Yummy!
This is the green dinosaur smoothie. This recipe hides lots of greens with no added sugar and tastes delicious. We call it the dinosaur juice and the kids love it. For this smoothie, we need 2 frozen bananas, 1 cup of strawberries, half a cup of strawberry yogurt, 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of water, 3/4 cup of almond milk. Then we put all the ingredients in the blender. I use my Vitamix, but any blender will work just fine. First, we put in the 2 frozen bananas, then put in all the strawberries, put in all the spinach, add the strawberry yogurt, pour in the 3/4 cup of almond milk that was pre-measured. Lastly, pour in the 1 cup of water. Put on a lid, blend for a minute or 2, or simply blend until smooth. When it's ready, pour the smoothie into cups. Look at this dinosaur green color. Don't let the green color fool you. It actually tastes really good. This is a super yummy dinosaur smoothie with lots of veggies in it with no added sugar. This is the blueberry smoothie with no added sugar and tastes delicious. For this smoothie, we need 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 2 frozen bananas, half a cup of vanilla yogurt, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of almond milk. Then put all the ingredients into the blender. I use my Vitamix, but any blender will work. First, we put in the 2 frozen bananas. Then put in all the blueberries. Add the vanilla yogurt. Make sure the container don't go into the blender. Pour in 1 cup of almond milk that was pre-measured. And lastly, pour in the 1 cup of water. Put on the lid, blend for a minute or 2, or simply blend until smooth. When it's ready, pour the smoothie into cups.
It's supposed to be blue.
Look at this beautiful deep purple color. It actually tastes so good.
Purplish.
This is the super yummy, super healthy blueberry smoothie and the kids love it. Good? Yummy? Next, we are making all natural organic grape juice with no added sugar, and it's super easy to make. All we need is 1.5 cup of grapes and 2.5 cups of water. Now put all of the grapes into the blender. Make sure they all go into the blender. Then pour in the 2 cups of water. Put on the lid and blend for a minute or 2, or blend until smooth. Pour the fresh grape juice into cups. And there we have it, super easy organic grape juice that tastes so yummy. That's all the healthy rainbow smoothies that are super easy to make. Check out my matcha latte recipe. Remember to like, comment, subscribe for more recipe videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!